Tonight's winner is
Don't look at me like that.
Matt.
Is it? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Conceptual element that really drove the piece to its final form.
No, mira. Mira, mira.
I can't believe
La
it.
vamos a bailar, mira.
To me, it's like a dream come true. Just
Let's dance.
comment on
Ay, no,
my
que
work
tú,
and
¿verdad?
praise it is all I really wanted.
Eso también va por un checo
Por estar chillando por comida todo el día.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Oh my gosh.
So one of you will be eliminated.
I'm afraid it's gonna like fall because it's like trying to eat the food.
Please step to the center.
How do you stop it again? Just push
You're just
recording.
clicking it.
Right?
Click the same one.
Pues se puede, sí, ¿sabes con
Alright.
Go, me.
Glenn?
Ian and RJ, the original film plays with adequate anatomy and creation.
Y dice que hace un baile lo más cómico también como lo.
Entire body. We had a guy in a suit getting into a tank of water.
Yeah,
Y
no.
no le has hecho total de que te siga con la comida todavía.
No,
Que
pero
te
mira.
sientas, te huele, te brinco, te
No, pero
huele.
mira, mira.
From the beginning, and an overall lack of quality in the work in its final form.
Tú necesitas.
So who's going home tonight?
No, yo creo.
Person going home tonight is
Mi vista llena.
Ay, me cayó algo en un ojo que me
¿Sí?
Oh goodness.